Welcome back to MrComputerMan. Let's turn on text recommendation in Windows 10. Step 1. Go to Settings, either by using the shortcut key combination Windows key +I or by searching in the search bar. Step 2. Go into Devices section, and then onto the Typing subsection and further to the Hardware keyboard option. And turn on Show Text Suggestions as I type. Also, if you want misspelled words to get corrected, turn on Autocorrect misspelled words I type. Voila, enjoy fast typing. Thanks for watching.